Alright, so first video of the day, let's check out Gala. Haven't made a video on Gala games before, but gotta start somewhere. So this is a new chart, so do just bear with me while I'm building up the analysis. If we do start on the 4 hour, you can see, if we're forgetting about this fib for a second, you can see a very nice M pattern. So just judging by this drawing, if we did lose the bottom down here at 27.4, I do believe that we would be falling. I'll try and find a fib to back up that target in a second. Similarly, if you come over to the daily as well, you can see we've got this big M McDonald's pattern. It does not look too good. The only volume that we've got coming in right now is selling volume. RSI looks like it's topped on the 70 on the daily, which isn't too good. But if we do come back over to the 4 hourly quickly, because it does look like we're going to make a decision for this soon, so let's see where we could potentially be bouncing. If we took a fib from the low to the high, you can see we do have another 618 down here, and obviously we do have support coming in at the bottom of this trend line. So I would say that we have kind of like a rectangular box that we would really need to hold, otherwise this McDonald's pattern is basically going to start falling off the table. So a bounce anywhere between, let's see, a bounce anywhere between 27.5 and 26 is going to be needed. If we do lose 26, then my next price target from the breakdown would be a 14% drop, at which point if we did not strongly bounce on the 786, you could see as much as a 32% drop. So also do bear in mind on the actually, wait, I saw a downtrend on the daily, so we could potentially see if we do have a dead cat bounce where we could be going up to. So let me just get a basic trend line. Something like this seems to fit well. So if we do now come back over to the 4 hourly, what I was about to point out is you can see the RSI has, I don't want to say bottom because I really don't know if this has bottom. We would need to see if it turns up strongly, but you can see the RSI came up to 70, came down, but we have previously bounced multiple times near this level of 30. Obviously sometimes we have dropped below it, so do keep that in mind. I am just saying this is a possible scenario, but as the RSI is so low, I would not necessarily discount a move like this. Move back up to somewhere like 33. If we come over to the daily, you could see that that would push RSI up a tiny bit, and then at which point we could potentially see a rolling over. So while we do have that M pattern, this also could be playing out to be a really nice W pattern. I am just saying that as a somewhat hopium scenario, because in my opinion, if we do come over to the total crypto market cap is below the 618 that we've got here. It's below the 200-day moving average. Bitcoin is strongly breaking down. If I had made a video on Bitcoin the other day, I did say if we did bounce on 40,000, as long as we didn't close a weekly candle below it, I would be bullish. So do keep an eye on the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin. I wouldn't personally be touching any altcoins until we did have a decision on there. So all in all, as long as we hold this previous low down here on the wick, which is 27.5 basically, I do believe if we dropped below 27.5, that would basically be it. We would have broken the, we would have broken the market structure once we drop below 26 here, at which point we would be coming all the way down to 22, potentially even at the bottom of this trend. So that's all I'm really seeing for Gala games right now. I will just come over to the weekly, see if there is anything significant on here. So we obviously aren't out of this downtrend. If we do come over to the Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see that we are getting a tiny bit of green Heikin-Ashi volume coming in. So all in all, the market structure is pretty bearish right now, but it doesn't necessarily seem like Gala has made a decision. Like I said, as long as we do hold the bottom of this box down here at 26, then we wouldn't have fully broken down. But do bear in mind, on the 4 hourly and on the daily, we are just getting consecutive red Heikin-Ashi candles. So if we don't have a bounce very, very quickly, then I do see us rolling over the table. All in all, I'll be keeping an eye on the total crypto market cap. If the total crypto market cap does keep on breaking down, and also keep an eye on the SPY stock market. I will be doing videos of this on my channel, so if you can't be bothered to look at these, come over to my channel and I'll give you my analysis on the whole market. But yeah, I do believe if the stock market opens and goes down red on Monday, then you know that's going to drag the total crypto market cap, Bitcoin, and also Gala games down to hell. I do believe Gala would be coming all the way down to, you know, let's at least talk about holding the 786 down here first. So, you know, my next target from that breakdown would be about a 15% drops from where we are. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Gala right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace out.